Hola amigos, we are going to, first I gotta tell you, this is for the listening quiz. Oh good, it just stopped. I have laundry going on in the background, so it might get a little loud, but let's go ahead and get started. So what you need to do is sorry, there goes the washing machine again. What you can do for this is you can open the slides on your own, or you can just look at this screen the whole time, and maybe on a little scrap piece of paper you can write down each number. I'm going to describe somebody, so you would be like, number 1 is person D, and then you go to number 2 is whatever. So that's all you got to do is listen to me and then choose the person I'm describing. There are only 2 slides, not a ton of questions, so let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. Number 1. Oh, by the way, let's just be super clear. This guy's wearing white. She's wearing a pink tank top. She's wearing a green tank top. He's, oh my God, he's so cute. He's wearing a pink nice shirt. It looks like he's wearing a nice t-shirt. She has a t-shirt and a vest, maybe even some earrings. I don't think she has, no, nobody else really seems to have earrings on. A couple key phrases that you need to know is pelo. Hopefully you remember pelo is hair. And largo means long, corto means short. So I might describe, like, in addition to everything else, I might say something about their hair just to give you a better idea. And then hopefully you watched the other screencast that went over our notes page, because there were a couple words in there for brown that we've never seen before. Marrón and de color café. That's another way that we say it. Or even castaño. We've learned castaño. It's sometimes used with hair. It's sometimes used with, it's kind of like a chestnutty color. So it's just very specific. But anyway, it's on your list. All right, so let's get started. I will describe people. You have to choose what letter, and then afterwards you need to go to Schoology, and in this week's folder there is a link to, or just the straight up the test, the quiz that you're going to be taking and writing your answers on this. So this is just credit, no credit. So even if you get, most of them wrong, you'll still be all right. Don't worry. Here we go. Number 1. Es muy joven y lleva unos zapatos rojos y una camisa rosada. Es muy joven y lleva unos zapatos rojos y una camisa rosada. Number 2, and these are only these people on the screen right now. It's never going to be the next one. Number 2. Lleva un top rosado con unos jeans azules. También tiene pelo largo y castaño. Lleva un top rosado con unos jeans azules. También tiene pelo largo y castaño. Number 3. Es vieja y lleva una camiseta morada con un chaleco morado también. Lleva unos aretes muy pequeños pero muy bonitos. Es vieja y lleva una camiseta morada con un chaleco morado también. Lleva unos aretes muy pequeños pero muy bonitos. Number 4. Lleva unos jeans azules y un top verde. Es muy joven y tiene pelo largo. Lleva unos jeans azules y un top verde. Es muy joven y tiene pelo largo. Number 5. Tiene pelo corto y lleva una camiseta azul y unos jeans azules también. Es muy atlético. Tiene pelo corto y lleva una camiseta azul y unos jeans azules también. Es muy atlético. And then the last one for this slide, number 6. Lleva una camisa blanca de tamaño grande y tiene pelo corto y de color gris. Lleva una camisa blanca de tamaño grande y tiene pelo corto de color gris. So that's it for this. You can always rewind and listen to me again. But now we're going to move on to the next one. So here, I'm going to lower this down. There it is. So you see A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It just goes to the person directly above them. And for this one, you'll notice when you get in the quiz that you don't have too many questions left, and there are definitely, 7 people right there? So we're not doing all of them. All right, here we go. Lleva un vestido gris y unas botas negras. Lleva un vestido gris y unas botas negras. Es muy joven y tiene pelo largo. Lleva unos jeans azules y un top verde. Es muy joven y tiene pelo largo. Lleva una camisa blanca de tamaño grande y tiene pelo corto de color gris. Lleva una camisa blanca de tamaño grande y tiene pelo corto de color gris. Lleva un vestido gris y unas botas negras. So that was number 7. Number 8. Lleva una camiseta blanca con una chaqueta roja. ¡Qué mono! También lleva unos jeans azules y unas botas de color marrón. Lleva una camiseta blanca con una chaqueta roja. ¡Qué mono! También lleva unos jeans azules y unas botas de color marrón. Number 9. Lleva una camisa negra con unos pantalones grises. Sus calcetines son azules, pero sus zapatos son negros. También tiene un cinturón marrón. Lleva una camisa negra con unos pantalones grises. Sus calcetines son azules, pero sus zapatos son negros. También tiene un cinturón marrón. And then the last one, number 10. Lleva una camisa blanca con unos pantalones grises. También lleva botas marrones. Lleva una camisa blanca con unos pantalones grises. También lleva unas botas marrones. All right, that's it. That's all 10. Go ahead and put your answers in Schoology, in the quiz in Schoology, and then you will be good to go. Then it should automatically give you your score so you can see how you did. But remember, it's credit, no credit. If you get at least one right, then you're good. And if you get all of them wrong, then you can email me and say, Senora, can you open it up again for me because I need to try again. And maybe I'll give you some tips before you jump back in. So that's it. Make sure that you do all the rest of the work and that you turn in everything that is needed for this week because, as you guys know, now everything is going in the grade book and being graded. And this is part of whether or not you get to pass the class. So make sure you do that. All right, guys. See ya.